In the 1960s, Procter & Gamble changed the way Americans thought about everyday products. This was a time when the American household was undergoing significant transformation, and P&G was at the forefront of this change. By pioneering television advertising, P&G transformed soap, toothpaste, and laundry detergent into household names, creating the modern consumer goods industry. Their innovative approach to marketing made these products not just items on a shopping list, but integral parts of daily life. Procter & Gamble had been a leader in consumer goods since the 19th century, but it was the rise of television in the 1950s and 1960s that took the company to new heights. The advent of TV provided a new platform for P&G to reach a wider audience, and they seized this opportunity with both hands. With TV reaching millions of homes, P&G seized the opportunity to promote its products directly to consumers. This direct line of communication allowed them to build a strong connection with their audience, making their products a staple in American households. By investing heavily in TV advertising, the company expanded its influence far beyond grocery store shelves, bringing its brands into the living rooms of American families. This strategy not only increased their sales, but also solidified their presence in the market. P&G didn't just sell products, it sold ideas of cleanliness, convenience, and modernity. Their advertisements portrayed an idealized version of American life where their products played a crucial role in maintaining a clean and efficient household. Through clever jingles, memorable mascots, and relatable family-focused commercials, P&G built trust with consumers, turning products like Tide and Crest into essential household brands. These marketing techniques created a sense of familiarity and reliability around their products. This period marked the birth of the modern household brand, where a product wasn't just something you bought, it became part of your daily routine. P&G's products were designed to fit seamlessly into the lives of their consumers, making everyday tasks easier and more efficient. P&G's dominance in TV advertising helped shape consumer culture in the 1960s. Their commercials not only promoted their products, but also influenced the way people thought about consumption and household management. By mastering the art of storytelling in commercials, P&G not only changed the way products were marketed, but also helped build the multi-billion-dollar advertising industry we know today. Their ads were more than just sales pitches. They were narratives that resonated with viewers. The company's success on television influenced competitors and set the standard for how brands connect with consumers. Other companies began to emulate P&G's strategies, leading to a new era of advertising. From the rise of TV commercials to creating some of the world's most trusted brands, Procter & Gamble helped shape the modern consumer experience. Their innovative advertising techniques have left a lasting impact on the industry. Its innovative approach to advertising turned everyday products into household names, a legacy that continues to influence how we shop today. The strategies they developed in the 1960s are still relevant and effective in today's market. Subscribe to emgotv1 for more stories on how U.S. corporations transformed our world. We delve into the history and impact of companies like P&G, exploring how they have shaped our daily lives. Subscribe and hit the bell for more deep dives into the corporations that built modern America. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the world of business and innovation.